I think someone may enjoy this video. It'll be about wood splitters. We just got the new Brave 20-ton wood splitter, which we've been very impressed with. We've had about 5 hours on it, split well over a quart of wood, and we can't find anything that has stopped it. It cuts through the wood with multiple knots, huge pieces of wood, no problem. And we have our little electric wood splitter out here too. And we've actually, as we're splitting this silver maple, which isn't the hardest wood, but we're impressed with the size of the pieces that it can do. So far we haven't found too many pieces that it can't crack through. There's only been one. So here's a huge piece. I'm not sure if it'll be able to handle this one. It's pretty straight grained, so based on what we've seen today, probably will, but we'll see. This is well over the size recommendations for this Southland 6-ton log splitter. Here, I'll zoom in right here so you can see the Southland 6-ton log splitter. But you can see all the pieces that it has been able to crack so far. Now here's the 20-ton dual split, and again, this thing splits through anything. Right through the middle of a knot. No problem for this. Here's a longer piece. The nice thing about this splitter is that it goes both ways. So it really increases productivity too. Just get a little bit more log splitting footage here for you to see. So this log splitter we chose because you can see it's not a very long log splitter like a lot of the vertical horizontal ones that take up a lot more room in the garage or the barn. It also has a Honda motor, which of course are known for their reliability. It can be towed on our and it's good for I think a second log splitter when you don't want to fire up a gas one for whatever reason. But our productivity after using the gas one, it proves its value. We were able to split many times more wood in the same amount of time with the gas one compared to the electric. And the reason for that is because it doesn't slow down, it never stops, it never gets caught up on wood like an electric one will. It doesn't matter how big it is, how many knots are in the wood, it'll just keep breaking through it. And that alone is the reason why it's so much more productive. Action is so nice, back and forth. You never have to wait for the ram to return. You can just keep going, and especially once I'm done filming, I'll help load the wood up, and we'll be able to split through all this wood in the trailer pretty quickly. So with 2 people operating the machine, it goes very quick. Say one last thing about this company, Brave. They did have one initial small problem where the cap for the hydraulic oil reservoir was cross-threaded when we got it, and it fell off essentially because the plastic cracked. I called the company on the first ring, someone picked up, and they're sending a new piece right away, free of charge, free shipping. They said they just wanted us to be happy. So I'm really happy with this log splitter, and I hope this review helps somebody. If you have any questions about it, please comment below and I'll be sure to respond. And as always, please like and subscribe. Our channel's growing. We're up to over 100 subscribers now, which is exciting. So again, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Here's a final video. We have, this is 2 hours in. We just finished. Used not even a tank of gas. We haven't refilled it. And we have the whole trailer full now, split wood.
And now he's living the life of Riley.